Hello YouTube, this is my Nerf armory, and I'll be naming off all of this. We'll start over here in this corner. I have all my pistols, the Secret Strike, the Titan pistol, the Nerf Wii pistol. I turned it just into the Nerf pistol for now, and the Nightfinder. I have the Raider with Raider clip. I have the Hornet, the Firefly, going over, the Western rifle thing, and I taped down a long shot scope to make it look more like a sniper thing. I have the Mag Strike with clip. I have the new upgraded double barrel from Busby Toys. They just gave it to me. It was the same price, so I returned the other one and got that one. I have the long shot with a BB gun dot sight. I have a Titan rocket. Oh, where do I put this back up? Titan rocket. I have the Recon Titan and this Star Wars gun I got for Christmas. I have a bunch of Nerf bullets and shells and a bunch of everything. And the Vulcan EBF 25, and I have two Dirt Tag vests, but my friend left them over, so they're technically kind of mine. They're not mine, but I'm just posting them. So yeah, and this is a big box I hold my guns in, and over here is another box I used to hold my ammo in. But I lost some of them, so now they fit back in that because they used to not fit in there. So here is my Nerf arsenal. Just going through it one more time.